Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Easy Chemistry by Praveen. Today I am going to discuss about the topic is called as a isoelectronic species. So what is meant by isoelectronic species? Along with this I will discuss about the some of the important need previous questions based on this topic I will discuss. First you can see what is meant by iso. Iso means similar or same, you can say that. So the definition it is indicating that the same. What is the next word? Electronic. So it is having the same electronics, similar electronics. So you can see the few example. You can see nitrogen with negative charge 3, oxygen with 2 minus, fluorine F minus, and Na plus, Mg plus 2, and one neutral atom, that is neon. See, you can see the different type of the ions is presented. Cation is there, anion is there, and neutral atom is there. What is the similarity is there? So n minus 3 is having the electrons is 10 electrons it is having. O minus 2 having 10 electrons it is having. F minus 2 having 10 electron. Na plus having 10 electrons. Mg plus 2 with 10 electrons. Neon with 10 electrons. So different type of the atoms having the similar number of the electrons. So atoms or ion having the similar number of the electron, that is called as a isoelectronic species. So here based upon this topic, questions will be repeated in the IIT and NEET examination. We will repeat it. For this we have to understand the one thing, we have to understand that one radius. So maximum positive charge, what will be the its radius? Maximum negative charge, that means more negative charge. If the more negative charge is presented on a particular anion, automatically it is having the more radius, that means more size will be there. Maximum positive charge, minimum size will be there, that is called as a radius. These two we have to understand. So here you can see the different type of the ions. You can see Na plus, Mg plus 2. In this, which is having the more size and which is having the minimum size? So maximum positive charge, Mg plus 2 having the max, so automatically having minimum size will be there. So n minus 3 and O minus 2, in these two, which is having the maximum size, maximum radius, maximum negative charge is equal to maximum radius. So automatically nitrogen with 3 minus 3 automatically having the more negative charge, more radius will be there. See the next questions. This they have asked in the previous NEET, they have asked. So the ionic radius in angstrom of n minus 3, O minus 2, F minus 1. So 2015 they have asked this question. So in the mains they have asked this question. See what the questions they are asking. Radius. So what is the relations n minus 3, O minus 2 and F minus 1? N minus 3 having 10 electrons, oxygen minus 2 having 10 electrons, fluorine negative ions with 1 negative ion with having the 10 electrons it is having. So it is a isoelectronic species. So just now only I have said the tricks to maximum negative charge, more size will be there. Of course nitrogen having the more size. Now I will give the explanation how it is having the more size. So nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, right, like this. So before gaining of the electron, nitrogen having 7 electron with 7 proton, oxygen before gaining 8 electrons with 8 protons, fluorine before gaining 1 electrons, it is 9 electron and 9 proton. See here in the nitrogen 7 electrons, 7 protons is there. So after gaining, what will happen? 10 electrons is presented. Proton number is not changing. Proton is nothing but the nuclear charge. See, oxygen 10 electron, fluorine also 10 electron. Nuclear electron number is increasing. Proton number is not increasing. That means nuclear charge is not increasing, not decreasing. So see here, 7 protons, the whole can hold the 7 electrons. What about the remaining 3? Automatically they will escape from the nuclear force of attraction, so automatically size will be more. So similar number here, oxygen 10 electron but nuclear charge 8, 10 proton but nuclear charge 9. So among all these, which is having the less nuclear charge? Nitrogen having the less nuclear charge. Less nuclear charge, automatically the force of attraction on valence shell will be decreases, automatically size will be more. So n minus 3 is having the less nuclear charge experience, so automatically having the more radius, followed by the oxygen. Next one, NEET 2015 they were asked these questions. What they are asking, they have given the 3 species they have given. argon, potassium, Ca plus 2 they are giving. They are asking the increasing order of the ionic radius they are having. So we have to find out the how many electrons is there given species. Argon with 18 electron, potassium generally 19 but positive is there, so 18 electron. Calcium 20 electrons is present but plus 2 is there, so 18 electrons by losing of 2 electrons. So here you can see the how many protons also is there. If the nuclear charge is there, then only we can easily find out the order of the ionic radius. We can find out, of course we can use the shortcut also, but we have to understand the explanation. So argon K plus and Ca plus 2. So neutral atom argon, so it is having the 18 protons with 18 electrons. So potassium, whose atomic number is 19 but one positive charge is there, that means losing of 1 electron, so automatically it is having the 18 electron with 19 proton. Proton is not at all losing, only electron is losing. So 20 protons and it is having the 18 electrons they are losing, not the proton, that the nuclear charge, not a proton. So among the following, which is having the more positive charge, Ca plus 2. More positive charge in the sense what? More negative charge will be, sorry, more positive charge in the sense more nuclear charge. More nuclear charge in the sense automatically will attract the electrons, with automatic size will be decreases. So Ca plus 2 having the less charge, followed by the argons be there. So increasing order of the ionic radius, you can write Ca plus 2 with the more positive charge, minimum radius, followed by the K positive and followed by the argon, neutral atom. So this is the order of the increasing order of the ionic radius. So this question they were asked in the NEET 2015. They have asked this question. So this is the order of the ionic radius. So next thing, you can see the next question. Here they have given Be plus 2 is isoelectronic with 2014 NEET. They have asked this question. They have given the 4 options. They have given H plus, Li plus, Na plus and Mg plus. Beryllium plus 2 with atomic number 4, by losing 2 electron will become having the 2 electron. So among the following, which is having the 2 electron, we have to find out. This means what? Isoelectronic similar species. Na plus Mg plus 2 having the heavy atomic number compared to the beryllium. So Na plus Mg plus 2 is the not answer. See, you can see the H plus only 1 electrons, but hydrogen plus, that means 0 electron. Li plus with atomic number 3, what will be the charge? Positive charge, 1 positive charge will be there. Automatically it is having the 2 electron. So what will be the answer? Beryllium plus 2 is isoelectronic with the Li plus 2, it is isoelectronic. Next question you can see, isoelectronic and isostructural. Among the following, the pairs, the group of pairs having the isoelectronic and isostructural options they have given, IF3 XZF2, BeCl2 XZF2, Ti2 XZF2, IBr2 XZF2. NEET 2017 they have asked this questions. They have asked this question. See, for this type of the questions, we have to find out the number of the valency electron. If the valency electrons of the molecule similar, automatically they are having the isoelectronic, automatically they are having the isostructural. IF3, I am having the 7 valency electrons. Even fluorine also having the 7 valency electron. 3 fluorines all presented. So total how many electron is presented in the IF3? If you see the IF3, total it is having 28 electrons it is having. Next one, if you can see the xenon F2, xenon fluoride, you can see how many valency electrons is presented in xenon. 8 valency electrons is presented. Fluorine also having the 7 valency electrons, but 2 atoms are presented, so 2 into 7. So how many valency electrons it is total? How many xenon F2 contain? It containing the 22 electrons it is containing. So see here, one is having 22, one is having 28, so they are not isoelectronic. Similar type of the electron should presented isoelectronic. Next one, BeCl2. So BeCl2, how many valency electrons is presented? It is containing the 2 valency electrons is presented. So plus chlorine, how many valency electron presented in the chlorine? 7 valency electrons is presented. So total how many we will get? 16 electrons we will get. So BeCl2 having 16, XZF2 having 22. So option B also incorrect. So next one, you can see the C options you can see tellurium iodide oxygen family. So it is with the 6 valency electrons. So 6 plus 2 iodine. So into 7. So automatically get 20 electrons will get with the TiO2 having the 20 electrons. So Ti2 having 20 electrons and XgF2 having 22 electrons. So these are not having the similar type of electron. So options C also wrong. Next one is IBr2 minus, iodine having the 7 valency electron, bromine having the 7 valence electrons, 2 bromines is presented with along with the 1 negative charge. We have to add the 1 negative charge to the this number valency numbers, so we have to add it. So total how many electrons is presented, if you count you will get the 22 electrons you will get. So IBr2 having 22 electrons. See here XgF2 already we calculated, XgF2 also having the 22 electrons it is having. So option D is the correct. NEET 2017 they have asked this question. So thank you for watching my videos. If you watching my videos first time, please subscribe to the my channel.